Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we have an exciting bundle from Yamaha, the True X 50A bundle. This bundle includes the True X Bar 50A soundbar with Dolby Atmos, a wireless subwoofer, and even Alexa built in. But that's not all. It also includes a pair of True X Speaker 1A portable, wireless surround sound speakers with Bluetooth. Let's explore this bundle and discover why it's making waves in the world of home audio. One of the standout features of this bundle is the True X surround technology. These portable surround speakers can connect wirelessly, giving you the flexibility to place them wherever you want for an immersive surround sound experience. The True X Bar 50A soundbar is equipped with Dolby Atmos and up-firing drivers. This means you'll experience more realistic and encompassing sound, making your movie nights and gaming sessions truly epic. Get ready to feel the bass. This bundle includes a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep and powerful bass, enhancing your audio experience. It's sure to rock your movies and elevate your music. The soundbar allows you to play music through various methods, including Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Tidal Connect. It's a versatile audio hub that can seamlessly integrate with your devices. Voice control is at your fingertips with Alexa built in. You can use voice commands to control the soundbar, play music, set alarms, control smart home devices, and more, all without needing a remote control. These True X Speaker 1A portable speakers are incredibly versatile. In surround mode, you can charge and place them as rear surround channels to enhance your audio experience. In solo mode, with just the push of a button, you can take these speakers on the go as Bluetooth speakers. Worried about durability? These speakers are IP67 waterproof and dust resistant, making them perfect for on-the-go adventures. Plus, they feature USB Type-C charging for convenience. A quick note for international buyers. This product is designed for use in the US, so you may need an adapter or converter for use in your country. Be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. The Yamaha True X 50A bundle is a fantastic addition to any home audio setup. With True X Surround, Dolby Atmos, Alexa integration, and portable speakers, it offers a complete and immersive experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or simply enjoying music, this bundle has you covered. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your audio game with Yamaha's True X 50A bundle. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll explore more exciting products. Until then, happy listening.